Fancy here, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be building a leather gauntlet. The first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and check the description, download the plans down below. It's something that I saw elsewhere on YouTube, so I'll link to that video in the description as well. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and print your sheets off, cut out all of your pieces. I would recommend go ahead and do all of them at the same time. It makes it a lot easier once you get going. You're going to need a hole punch. I used a leather hole punch that I had lying around. Not really sure why I had it, but I did. Once you get going, you take your leather glove and you just start putting all the pieces onto it. Do each finger, make sure you have the right number of pieces. You can either do two-tone the way that my glove was, which I thought it came out very well, or you could do a single tone if you're going for all black or all tan or whatever you want to get to look like. Just make sure that whatever glove that you actually purchase and put underneath it is the same color as what you are going to be wanting the final product to be. Once you have everything cut out, you're going to start putting holes in all of the fingers and using leather rivets. You can either get ones where you hammer it onto a hard surface and rivet it that way, or do the ones that I got, which were simple snap rivets. You push them together and they click and they stay in place. I also went ahead at the end and put small dots of glue on the very inside to help all of it lay down a little bit easier on the hand, as well as keep all of those in place just to reinforce those rivets. thanks for watching. Check back next week to see another episode. I'm releasing one every week now. Go ahead and like and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you get a notification every time I release a video. If you want to see me make something, put a comment down below. And as always, stay fancy.